Good times, good times, good times, good times, good times, good times.
Ready to go?
Good times,
all right.
good times.
From the beginning of time, in the history of the world, you and I have always been at war. Freedom, fear, God and the devil. In a common voice, we are joined together. Some say, oh, we must leave poor George alone. But as a saint of our times has said, I don't give a fuck. We can beg for it. Will the real RX please stand up? 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 My name is RX. RX. My name is RX. RX.
That's news to me.
In today's world, direct communication is a ticket to success. So tonight I propose a plan to destroy you once and for all. In the next 4 years, I will work with my fellow Americans, taking requests with the ultimate goal, the total control of your soul. Will the real RX please stand up? 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 My name is RX. RX. And the whole world now knows my name is RX. RX. Okay. By the way, I wake up every day, every morning. That's my job. And it's hard work. It is hard work. It's hard work. It's incredibly hard. Believe me. But I think it's worth it, Jim. I think it's worth it because I know in the long term it will set such a powerful example that we can look back and say we did our duty. Duty. Yeah. We're doing our duty.
Now wait a minute, Buster.
You can't do that. Can't tell you how big a mistake I think that is. People get their hands up. Yeah. Go, shorty. Will the real RX please stand up? Show us. See? Why don't you show us? My name is RX. No doubt about it. It's RX. There's just no doubt in my mind. My name is RX. Totally fresh. RX. Let me say one other thing. I have a message for every American who is 14 or older. I'm running for president. This is going to be a grassroots campaign. Nothing like this has happened. I ask every American to contribute as they are able to do so. For more information about how to make a donation,
Get on your internet and call it up. Talk about the party.com.
Yep, the party.com.
Get on your internet. Get on your internet. Get on your internet and call it up. Talk about
The party.com.
Duty.
The party.com.
I
think this will work.
Get on your internet. Get on your internet. We will help you help us.
Fellas walked in. Will the real RX please stand up?
Good times. Good times.
Will the real RX please stand up? My name is RX. Will the real RX please stand up?
You got me started here.
Will the real RX please stand up? My name is RX. Will the real RX please